welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, welcome to our
So Jude, what do you have today?
I have my dinosaur on my headphone.
Okay, which one do you want to open first?
My dinosaur.
No, let's open your headphones first.
Okay.
Open it like this. Wow.
Wow. Ooh,
Put on backwards.
it feels great.
And they're Bluetooth headphones.
It have a video.
They're too small for me. Hold on. Wow. I can't even hear myself.
Okay, that looks great. I'm just gonna keep it like this. I'm gonna keep it like this.
Okay, now let's open the dinosaur.
I can't wait to see. That was so cool. I've never seen it.
Okay, open it from here. Right here.
No, right here.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Look at the trees.
Yeah, look at the. Oh my god.
I think this is a stegosaurus.
Oh, what's this?
It's the mat.
Yeah. We can find ways. Hey,
Whoa.
Knock the tree down. Why did you knock the tree down?
Okay.
Look at all the dinosaurs.
Look, these are so cool. They have trees. Even came with a mat.
Okay.
Okay. This one is a stegosaurus.
No, the tree fall down.
Look, one. This one's a stegosaurus.
Oh, you got the other one.
Ooh, look at this one. It has a long, spiky thing on its back.
Yeah. I fixed the trees.
It kind of looks like a lizard, a big, huge lizard.
Look at that red eyes on it. And it's eating my hands.
Ooh, look at this one's long neck. It looks like a giraffe.
Yeah, this looks like Sonic.
What's that?
I don't know. Sonic is a Pokemon.
Oh, cool. Oh, look at all these dinosaurs. This one looks really scary.
Yeah.
Okay, let's put all the trees over here.
I'm gonna stop you. Yeah.
That was so cool.
Yeah.
Let's put the trees over here. Oh, let's make sure it doesn't knock down. Jude, what's your favorite?
My favorite is this one.
Ooh, that one's nice. That one's the stegosaurus.
Yeah. Which one you like?
My favorite is this one. It looks like the T-Rex, but I don't think it is. And it has those little arms and those little back things. And then this one it looks blackish, brownish. Look at the trees, they feel so real.
Yeah. I know this one was this big.
Yeah, some dinosaurs can climb trees.
Yeah. This one can climb the tree.
Nice. Dinosaurs died a long time ago, over 1 million years ago.
Oh, this dinosaur. I love this one.
Oh no, a tree fell down.
Oh, the dinosaur fell down.
Oof. Okay, Jude, let's put everything back and spread the mat inside the tub. This tub looks messy. Okay.
Wow, the neck. Let's spray it together.
Oh, this is too big for the table.
Yeah.
Okay, let's turn around. This is funny.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, this one's the house.
Okay, let's put these over here. Ooh, they stand better on the mat.
Wait, look.
Ooh, look at that.
Yeah.
Ooh, they're falling down. The trees are not sticking on there. Oof. Okay, now let's take out all the dinosaurs.
The tree.
Sure. Oh no, the dinosaur knocked down the tree.
Yeah.
Here, let's take out all the dinosaurs and put on the mat. Okay, let's just not put some of the trees there that fall down because the trees will keep on falling down. It looks so realistic, kinda. Back then, I don't think they had
They're
these
not
stuff.
supposed to be there. They're supposed to be there.
Okay. This one likes eating from trees because it has a long neck, just like giraffes. Yum, 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 yum. This one, I don't know what it likes doing. Looks scary. Looks like it's about to run. I'm so fast, faster than all of you. I'll take you for food. No.
What is this? I don't know that. Wow.
No, I'm gonna help you.
I'm gonna eat you.
I'm gonna help you.
I'm the queen. Help me! Somebody help me! I will help you.
Hey, I'm not even doing anything. The first dinosaur that died.
Okay, this one is well to be right. Where's this one well to be?
Probably right there inside the water. Well, this one is gonna be on the nice paradise island
I know.
with all trees. Hawaii, where there's volcanoes.
And Jasmine, I know you have to say.
This is where the stegosaurus is supposed to go. This one's supposed to go right there. That's good.
No.
This one's supposed to go right here. How do we stand this thing up? Well, where's this one supposed to go?
Oh no.
I don't see where this one's supposed to go. With the ants? Doesn't have a spot. That's okay. They'll live in different areas.
There's no last one. The other dinosaur is on set. So they're standing.
Yep, let's play.
Okay.
So this one looks like this.
Oh no, it wasn't doing nothing.
Let's do gymnastics.
I'm gonna eat you. Yeah.
These little spikes look like, they don't look anything like the real dinosaur, but they look